Hey, welcome to NEC booth at ISE 2020. I'm Eric. Welcome here. Today I want to talk about next generation large format displays, which is one of the highlights of the NEC booth. Here you can see the latest generation. There will be a new portfolio available from autumn this year, which is called Message Essential. That will be one series, then the Message series, and then there will be another one with even more functionality, the Message Advanced series. All those series models, they will have a very modular approach, which you can see here on the back side. There you can see the slot, which can host Intel STM modules, as well as the latest generation of Raspberry Pi. Latest generation of Raspberry Pi is important for having the best computing performance for the NEC media player, as well as for the open modular platform where we are hosting CMS service partners. For more information, have a look at our homepage. There will be more details to come later. Thank you very much.